Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got some amazing Oreo cream puffs for you today. Start with some Oreo cookies, 25 to be precise, and take out the cream. Put the cream in one bowl and the cookie in another bowl. Try not to eat them as you go. I know, it's tempting. Right, stick your Oreo cookies in a blender to make cookie crumbs. Pop that aside and now we're going to heat 2 cups of milk with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Give it a whisk on a low heat and then pour in 2 egg yolks. Now this mixture is going to thicken as it heats, so you need to keep stirring. Right, that's ready, and we're going to add in half the Oreo creams. They're going to melt as you mix them in. Pour that mixture into a bowl. And cover with cling wrap. We want to make sure a film does not form on the top of the mixture. Put that aside to set. And now we're going to heat 1 cup of water with 8 tablespoons of butter. Pour in your crushed Oreo cookies. Keep a little bit aside for decoration later on. Add in 1/2 cup of flour and mix. This is going to form an almost dough-like consistency. Once it's there, we're going to gradually pour in 4 eggs, mixing after each addition. Beautiful. Let's stick that in a food piping bag. Our lovely chocolate Oreo gooey mixture. There. Now grab a baking tray, non-stick, or add baking paper if you need it, and pipe on your Oreo mixture as circles. Give them a bit of height, like so. Bake those in the oven at 435 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. And meanwhile, let's get your Oreo cream mixture and put that in a food piping bag. It's slightly thicker now since it's set. When your Oreo puffs are ready, you're going to make a little indent in the bottom and pipe in some of your cream mixture. Get as much in there as you can, and it's going to fill up nicely. Lovely! Now let's melt the remaining Oreo creams. And dip. There you go, you can also drizzle it on. And finish it off with the Oreo cookie crumbs you saved earlier. And it looks amazing. Then when you slice into it, it's full of cream. Wow, wouldn't mind one of them. How about you? Why not give it a go and try with different flavours? Oreo cream puffs. Enjoy!